Yo, what's going on? This is Ram Team. So today we're gonna look at outside of the car. Wash it, clean it, wax it, buff it. So first we take off the hubcaps. Just pull on them, there's a couple of clips, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe, click the link below. Man, this car really needs some alloys though. Pull them hose out. So first we're gonna make all the car wet. Spray the water all over, just to soak it in. We haven't washed it since we bought it, so first wash and last wash. So wash the hubcaps as well. Now we just have some soap and wax in the bucket. So just scrub everything in. Make sure you start from the top and go to the bottom so you don't bring any dirt from below. That way you will scratch your paint if you bring it from below. Now just rinse it down, all the soap and dirt of the car, before we can start buffing it. I would recommend power washer if you have it. Alright, so let's throw the hoops back on. Just like you took it off, just clips. Bang, bang, and it's in. Okay, let's do the other three now. It's easier to do it with two hands. They do make the car look better. I wish you had alloys though. So now we're gonna buff it out. This is the paint before, and we're gonna show you after once we're done with it. So stick to the end. See all the scratches in the doors. It's crazy. Fingerprints, like, they won't come off with water. You need to buff it out. So we use the special compound. Apply it everywhere before you turn it on. turn it on. Nice and slow, go up and down. So now I just remove all the residues that's left over from the compound. So look at the difference now. It's like mirror. Not a single scratch. It's crazy what this thing can do. Look at the difference, the doors and the wing. So I'm gonna do the rest of the car the same. Then under the hood, it wasn't too bad, but it was kind of dirty, so we decided to clean it as well. Probably never been cleaned since new. So that's the first clean after 16 years.
Thousands of tears later.
And now, what do you think of that? So much cleaner. It looks brand new. I'm sure the new owner are gonna appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a like for the extra work we put in. So that's the end project. We're officially done with the car. Everything is clean, everything is fixed, it's ready to sell. And we're gonna do one more episode on when we sell it and how much we sell it. We put all the details, how much we paid and everything for parts and stuff. So keep an eye out for it. But just take a look at this right now. From 0 to 100 real quick. So all the interior is clean as well now. Well, it's better than it was anyway. Yeah, I wouldn't mind driving it myself right now. That's the episode 3 Volkswagen Polo. Next project is gonna be bigger, more expensive, more exciting, and more episodes. So keep an eye out.